Hey guys, today we got 4 2019 Topps Chrome Update Series baseball cards. We made a road trip to Kansas and we were in a Target and somehow found these. We've been looking all over for them, haven't found them, but now we got them. We're still in Kansas. We've already opened one box, didn't get anything good, and then we got like an extra pack with Chrome Update Series 2 exclusive pink refractor cards. So we'll wait for the end for those. We're not guaranteed an autograph, but might get one still. You never know. Whit Merrifield All-Star Game. Jake Odorizzi. That one's a pretty cool card. He's got on a different uniform, looks like. Oscar Mercado, and then Mark McGuire, 150 of the greatest players. Pretty good first pack, but Jake Odorizzi was pretty cool. Next up, we have Matthew Beatty, Lane Thomas rookie card, Jonathan Scoop, and Yasiel Puig. We have Mitch Keller rookie card, Clayton Kershaw All-Star Game, Francisco Lindor All-Star Game, and then the Family Business Reggie Jackson. Hopefully we get an autograph out of our 4 boxes. Didn't get one in the first box. And then we don't know which ones are separate the boxes. We just mixed all the packs in. Wilson Contreras All-Star Game. Austin Riley rookie card, rookie debut. Eloy Jimenez rookie debut, rookie card. Lucas Giolito. So we're getting a lot of the good rookies. Like we got Pete Alonso, Fernando Tatis, Eloy Jimenez, all rookie debuts. So hopefully we get a base card. Still haven't got a Vladi. Charlie Blackmon, Zach Britton, Hunter Pence, and then Ricky Henderson, 150 years, greatest moments. Final pack of 2 of the boxes. What do we get? Brian Reynolds rookie card, Cavan Biggio rookie card, Vladimir Guerrero Jr. rookie card, but it's another rookie debut. Still a pretty cool card though. And then Freddie Freeman All-Star Game. We got Tatis, Alonso, Eloy, Vladi, 4 of the top rookies, but all have been rookie debuts, so that's not good. Then we got Trevor Story, Michael Chavis rookie debut, Mike Yastrzemski, and then they also curve, as you can see, and then Sean Anderson rookie card. Austin Riley rookie card, normal one. Nate Lau rookie card. And we have an autograph. It is Richard Lovelady rookie card. So pretty cool. He plays for the Kansas City Royals when we're in Kansas City. So nice card. Got an autograph at least. And then Manny Machado, who won the... Actually, no, he didn't win anything. I was thinking of a different person. Edwin Encarnacion, DJ LeMahieu, John Duplantier rookie card, and then Vladimir Guerrero Jr. rookie card. Finally, it's a normal card, so that one is pretty cool. Actually got a good rookie that's normal. So, well, and the Austin Riley. And then we have Corbin Martin rookie card. Josh Naylor rookie card, Nick Senzel rookie debut rookie card, and then Jackie Robinson greatest moments. So far doing pretty good. Got the nice autograph. Don't really know who it is, but DJ LeMahieu All-Star Game, Cody Bellinger All-Star Game, Chris Bryant All-Star Game, and then Austin Meadows All-Star Game. Got a lot of All-Star games in that All-Star Game cards in that pack. Didn't get one that wasn't one. Then we have a UC Kikuchi rookie card, Will Smith rookie card, Cal Quantrill rookie card, and then Tim Raines, the family business for the Montreal Expos. Gosh. Chris Paddock rookie card, JT Realmuto, Charlie Morton, and Harold Ramirez rookie card. Just a few packs left. We're in our last box. Whit Merrifield All-Star Game, Jake Odorizzi, another one of those cards, like where he's on a different team. Oscar Mercado, and then the family business rookie card. In real life, though, that card looks different than it looks in the video. It looks more like the Jake Odorizzi one. It looks more like the guy who's standing by as a shadow, but on the camera, just looks normal. Matthew Beatty rookie card, Lane Thomas rookie card, Jonathan Scope, and then Yasiel Puig. We just got a repeat pack of our, pretty sure it was the first box. We had that pack too. So, Mitch Keller, Clayton Kershaw All-Star Game, Francisco Lindor All-Star Game, and Steve Carlton, Greatest Players 150 years. We have a numbered card in this pack. Wilson Contreras All-Star Game, Austin Riley rookie debut rookie card, Eloy Jimenez rookie debut rookie card, and then DJ LeMahieu, numbered out of 199. Pretty cool checkered flag card. And then after we do this video, I'm gonna go see a movie, Ford vs. Ferrari. So hopefully it's pretty good. The trailer looked pretty good. Charlie Blackmon All-Star Game, Zach Britton, Manny Machado, the family business. Hunter Pence, Brian Reynolds rookie card, Kevon Biggio rookie card, and then his teammate, Vladimir Guerrero Jr., rookie debut. Final card of the boxes. Freddie Freeman, Michael Brantley All-Star Game, Trevor Story All-Star Game, and then 150 greatest moments. Roberto Clemente. So we have 3 more packs, and then we get the pink cards. These 3 more packs came with there's like this big pack that came with the exclusive pink cards, and that we have Mike Yastrzemski rookie card, Sean Anderson rookie card, George Brett greatest players, and then Roberto Alomar family business, the family business. Open, got a lot of cards, and let's go ahead and see what we get. Got an Austin Riley, Nate Lau rookie card, Cal Ripken Jr., and Ronald Acuna Jr., the family business. Next up, final normal pack And then we get the pink cards, which hopefully are really good. And got Edwin Encarnacion, DJ LeMahieu, John Duplantier, and David Ortiz. Greatest moments, 150 years. Who is doing well? David Ortiz is doing well. Now, for the good cards, the 2 pink cards. Let's see who we get. We got a white card. We have Nick Senzel, rookie card, and Michael Chavis, rookie card, pink. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to tune in to the next video and sign out for now. See ya.